मॉर्निंग। आ जाओ चाय पीने के लिए। सुबह की चाय अभी बन रही है। It's actually 10:30 right now and this is my second cup of tea. I usually don't drink this much tea, like I had to have it in the morning and that's about it. But I woke up so early today after so long actually. इतनी जल्दी मैं उठी क्योंकि आज से राज के क्लासेस शुरू हुए और वो हमारा बच्चा है ना, वो अर्ली बर्ड है, वो सबसे पहले फैमिली में वो उठ जाता है। तो ही woke up at 5 o'clock, so as soon as he woke up, I woke up too. So by this time I was like, I need my chai now. But I just clean everything. This is the last pot I need to clean because within a half an hour I need to take Raj for his SAT class. And today, no, he has one more. Yes, he has one more class to go, but that's gonna be the evening class. Today is the last one for the daytime class. So I was like, as soon as I drop him, I want to go to Home Goods because all this time I did not even know that they have a Home Goods close by. So I was like, how did I miss that? So, and I heard that this one is much bigger than what I have here. So definitely today we are going to Home Goods. So actually I was going through the comments on today's video for Vastu, and guys, thank you so much because after reading all those comments I feel so relieved that I'm not the only one who doesn't follow the Vastu, because it is so difficult here, right? Especially like construction wise, I can't do anything. If I need to change the piece of furniture or frame something, no big deal, I can do it. But construction wise, I can't do anything about it. And then I thought like कि यार जब हमने घर लिया था तब हम लोगों ने भूमि पूजन किया था because there was no any building construction here, right? So we did the Bhumi Pujan. After that, once the house was built, we did the Vastu Pujan, and every single day I do puja anyways. So I was like, it's been so long in this house, so far so good, nothing has happened, knock on wood. So I was like, forget about it, you know, I'm not gonna go too much in a detail क्योंकि जितना आप डिटेल में जाते हो ना तो वो इतना कंफ्यूज होती जा रही थी मैं, और वो फिर होता है ना कि एक नेगेटिव थॉट्स आपके दिमाग में आ गया और आपने अगर वो ना किया तो फिर वो होता है कि just because we didn't do this, that's why all these things is happening. So it's better कि भाई stay away from all that. So thank you so much guys to making me comfortable कि I'm not the only one. But many of you suggest that if I can have the puja here either in the kitchen or the dining area. Now जितनी भी मैंने स्टडी की है ना ये थोड़े दिनों में, तो उसका ये नॉलेज अभी बोल रहा है वास्तु का कि दे रेकमेंड कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट जो डायरेक्शन होती है ना, दैट इज़ द बेस्ट डायरेक्शन फॉर पूजा. नाउ नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन मेरे घर में ये है, तो यहाँ तो ये डाइनिंग टेबल है तो ऑब्वियसली आई कैन हैव एनीथिंग ओवर हियर. वो दूसरा जो डाइनिंग हमारा एरिया है वो तो पूरा खाली है, बट देन again, you know, I don't know how it's gonna look over there. Secondly, I was thinking in the basement. Now in the basement again, every time, you know, नीचे जाना पड़ेगा, तो फिर वो ड्रॉप कर दिया आइडिया. तो फिर फाइनल अभी वो ही डिसाइड हुआ है कि वो आर्यन के रूम में ही जाएगा, बिकॉज अगेन आई डिडंट फील कंफर्टेबल पुटिंग इन द गेस्ट बेडरूम, बिकॉज अगेन अगर कोई वहाँ पे है तो रोज़ मुझे वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा, यू नो. तो आई वाज लाइक आई डोंट वांट दैट, बट आर्यंस रूम इज़ फाइन एंड ही ऑल्सो सेड दैट आई वांट द भगवान इन माई रूम, यू नो. क्योंकि ये सब कुछ हो रहा था ना, तो आई टोल्ड हिम कि मे बी आई एम गोना मूव भगवान समवेयर एल्स. ही इज़ लाइक नहीं, मुझे भगवान मेरे रूम में ही चाहिए. तो फाइनली बस वही होगा, पर अभी तक आई हैवंट डिसाइडेड कि कौन सा मंदिर वगैरह. बट दैट वन थिंग वी डिसाइडेड दैट इट डेफिनेटली इट विल गो इन आर्यंस रूम. Also, many of you recommend that if I can have it here in the kitchen, और मेरा जो butler pantry का area है, I can put it over there too. But butler pantry का जो area है वो direction मुझे नहीं मिल रही है क्योंकि it has to be east west. तो ये मेरा north south है, तो that's not the right direction. तो वो नहीं हो सकता. और मेरे जो cabinets वगैरह है, मेरी मूर्तियाँ है ना इतनी बड़ी बड़ी है, और I don't know, पूजा in a kitchen, मेरे पास अगर जगह नहीं है कोई कहाँ पे, then it's different thing. But then I was like, you know, Aryan's room is perfect. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys. disappoint me. So let me show you what I got. So the first thing I have here is this small cute plates. How cute they are, right? So probably I'll use this for either chutney or some kind of spices, I guess. But it's so cute. So this one was $6. And I also found pot. Now this pot is similar to my other one. It is smaller than that one, but I love this pot so much. So first of all, let me show you how the pot looks like. So it is, the shape wise it's same as the other one, but the main reason I like this pot is because do you see the shape of this here as well as here? So if you want to drain the water, it's really easy. And also inside it marks, so it hold up to 2 liter. And the lid has the hole, so it's easy if you are making rice, pasta, and you want to drain the water, so easily you can drain it. So I really like this pot. So that's it, those two things. I got it from Home Goods. And now it's 4:30, seemed like it's gonna rain. Good thing that while I was going and coming back, the rain wasn't there, so that was a good thing. But seemed like it's gonna rain, and I'm feeling like making something spicy. Of course, I'm not making pakoda, but most probably I think I'm gonna make a bhakri and sev tomato sabji, because that's what I've been craving from very long time. But I don't have a sev, so I need to make it from scratch. And it's only 4:30, so I think I should be fine. I'll go ahead and make it. So let's go ahead and start dinner, because I don't want to get it too late. Because see, this sabji doesn't take that long to make it, but since I need to make the sev from scratch, it is gonna take some time. So let's hurry up and let's make our dinner.
So first of all, I'm gonna start making sev. So for that, here I have 1 cup of chickpea flour, that is the besan. Into that, adding some haldi powder, red chili powder, just a pinch of baking soda, and salt to taste. And after that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons warm oil. You just want to make sure that it's warm and it's not hot. And then using the warm water, I'm gonna make this stiff dough out of it. And here I have this sev gadget. I'm just gonna make sure that I apply the oil everywhere, so that way the flour doesn't stick to it and I can have proper sev out of this. And this thing, guys, you have to be very careful, especially when you are deep frying, because this is the first time actually I'm doing it. Because when I was at the mom's house, and actually when mom was there, she never let me do this. Whenever even after the marriage, she used to make this sev and send it to me, because this is so dangerous, right? Because the oil is hot and you are holding this, and this thing sometimes gets so hard, and accidentally if you drop that into that hot oil and oil splash on you, so that's very dangerous. So unless you don't feel comfortable, don't even try to do this. So that's it. I'm gonna let this deep fry. It doesn't take more than 2 to 3 minutes to fry on one side. I'm gonna flip it and let it fry on the other side, and the sev is ready. And next I'm gonna prepare garlic chutney. So here I have chopped garlic. Into that I'm adding some red chili powder, salt to taste. And somehow when you make the garlic chutney this traditional way, it just tastes so good. So I'm gonna make sure that there is no any big chunk left. And after that I'm gonna add warm oil into this. Again, you do want to make sure that you use the warm oil and not like steaming hot. And that's it. Our garlic chutney is also done. As you can see, it's very easy to make. It doesn't take that long, but when you make it this traditional way, it just tastes much better than making in the chopper. So next I'm gonna prepare the dough for bhakri. Now this bhakri flour, I got it from Indian store, and in case if you don't find this kind of flour, you can take half suji and half atta. You can combine both of them, and that can be your bhakri flour. Into that I'm adding some salt to taste, and also in this you do want to add warm oil. And bhakri flour, always you want to make like a stiff dough, not the chapati dough, because chapati atta is like very soft. not like that, but you do want to make sure that it's very stiff dough. And that's it. I'm just gonna go ahead and roll all of them, and then on this tawa, I'm gonna make this bakri. Now you can make the bakri two way. You can just take clean kitchen towel and press it, and you can make it that way. If not, you can make it just like how we make the chapati. So you want the grill for that, and you can make it that way. So here actually I'm gonna just make it on this grill just like we make the chapati. But believe me guys, this bakri tastes so good, especially if you just eat it with the chai na, that also is fine. But warm bakri with the ghee on top, and if you just eat just like that, that also tastes so good. And actually, this bhakri, no one likes it in my family except me, because you can't scoop sabji properly with this, right? Because the texture of this, it's hard. It's not like chapati. But आज उनके पास कोई choice नहीं थी. और if you have this bhakri, I'm sure you guys know that ये भाकरी गरम गरम घी के साथ आप ऐसे ही अकेले भी उसको किसी चटनी और सब्जी के बिना भी खाओ ना, तो भी बहुत टेस्टी लगती है. स्पेशली नेक्स्ट डे इट टेस्ट सो गुड टू. So now we're gonna prepare this sabji. So here in the pan do have some oil. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm adding some mustard seed, cumin seed, asafoetida, and lots of garlic. Yes, in this sabji you want lots of garlic. Into that I'm adding some chopped onion. We're gonna let this onion saute for about few minutes. And on this other side, I'm gonna prepare the masala. Now you can add all the spices into this, but the reason I'm doing this so that way it doesn't get burnt. So here I have some red chili powder, haldi powder, dhania jeera powder, as well as just a little bit of garam masala. Just a little bit, not more than that. And then I'm gonna add water into this and make like a paste out of it. And then I'm gonna add this masala into the onion mixture, and then we're gonna let this cook for about few minutes until you don't see the oil is separated. So it will take about 2 to 3 minutes. And once you see the oil is separated, at that point you want to add the tomato. Now here actually I'm using 3 medium tomato, and as you can see I cut them into bigger pieces. The reason you want to do that, so once it's cooked properly, it still retains the shape and it doesn't kind of get mushy. And once I add the tomato, I'm gonna add some water into this, and then we're gonna let this tomato cook for just a few minutes. It doesn't take that long. And then when you are ready to serve this sabji, only that time you do want to add the save. The reason is because the save is made out of besan, so it will absorb all the water. So you do want to wait until last, and once you add the save into this, basically that's it. Your sabji is all done. And if you have the save already ready, then hardly this sabji take about just less than 10 minutes to make this. But do try this recipe guys. ये खा के ना डेफिनेटली ढाबे के खाने की याद आ गई, क्योंकि वेदर भी आजकल ऐसा ही चल रहा है कि हर रोज़ बारिश होती है, और ऐसे में ये तीखा बिल्कुल सिंपल खाना है, पर बहुत मज़ा आया आज का खाना खा के. एक्चुअली आई जस्ट एट सो मच. स्पेशली इंडिया में भी आजकल बहुत बारिश हो रही है, तो ये ज़रूर ट्राई करना. सो आई एम सर्विंग दिस सब्जी विद पाखरी, garlic chutney, as well as chash, because this kind of food is never complete without the chash or lassi. So that's it guys, ये है हमारा आज का खाना.
So बारिश वाला खाना तो हो गया, but there is no rain at all. As you can see behind me, it's been cloudy like this entire day. It's only 6 o'clock right now, but still we don't have a rain at all. Hopefully आ जाए, क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी है अभी. So that's it guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Definitely give this recipe a try. ये टमाटर सेव की सब्जी reminds me ढाबा स्टाइल खाना, क्योंकि ढाबे का खाना होता है ना, सिंपल होता है पर टेस्टी होता है. और I didn't make this sabji that spicy, but for that reason I made the garlic chutney, so I can just mix that in there and make it extra spicy for me. And I was actually hoping कि जब मेरा खाना हो जाए ना तो मैं यहाँ बाहर लेके आके बैठूँगी तो यहाँ पे बारिश हो रही है, यहाँ पे मैं खाना खा रही हूँ, you know, it looks so nice, right? But बारिश तो हुई नहीं, बस ऐसी ही विंडी है. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Good night and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.